Hi, I'm Occena. I'd like to bring you to a different world. A world where I can introduce you to the strangest animals here on Earth. Buckle your seatbelts. Here we go. Our first animal is pretty interesting. Axolotls are also known as a walking fish. It's not a fish, but an amphibian. Did you know that they're critically endangered? Axolotls can live up to 15 years on a diet of worms, insects, and small fish. Locating food by smell, these fascinating creatures can capture their prey by sucking it in with a vacuum force. Axolotls inhabit an area to the southeast Mexico. Our next animal is a star-nosed mole. Star-nosed moles are one of the distinctive types of mammals. Did you know their noses are hairless and ringed by a unique star of 22 pink fleshy tentacles? They look like a cross between a rat and an octopus. Its super senses also make it a lethal hunter. They live below ground in a world of perpetual darkness, surrounded by the crawling creatures on which it preys. The mole lives on worms, insects, and small fish. The outer tentacles probe for a potential meal while the inner sensors determine if the prey is edible. The next animal is pretty scary looking. The Aaye is a lemur, a strap-soaring primate native to Madagascar that combines rodent-like teeth. It's the largest nocturnal primate in the world, which means it's related to apes and monkeys. Its body grows over a foot long, and if you include the bushy tail, the Aaye can measure more than 2 feet long. Aayes were once thought to be extinct and currently endangered. Aayes are considered bad omen by the locals in Madagascar. Some even consider them bringers of death, which sneak into humans' houses at night to puncture the arteries of people, using their claws. Of course, this isn't true. Next in line is the pink fairy armadillo. It doesn't have wings and can't cast spells and stuff like a real fairy, but it does have a rosy shell that acts like a radiator. By pumping blood in and out of it, the armadillo can raise or lower its core temperature. The smallest of armadillos spends almost its entire life burrowing through the earth, hunting invertebrates and chewing up plant matter. The pink fairy armadillos live in warm habitats, including the rainforests, grasslands, and semi-deserts. I love our next animal. The Dumbo Octopus is a type of octopus named after Walt Disney's famous character, Dumbo the elephant, because of the ear-like fins. These animals can be found in all oceans of the world. They can be rarely seen because they are living in the bottom of the sea. They are considered endangered. Dumbo Octopus has soft head-shaped bodies with 8 arms. The color of the body can be red, green, or orange. The arms and flippers are used for swimming. The arms are equipped with small harpoon-like barbs that are designed to hold the prey. Since the Dumbo octopus spends most of its life in the great depths, it doesn't have a lot of predators. Last but definitely not the least, the Saiga Antelope is a critically endangered animal. Recently, almost half of the world's Saiga antelopes have died from a suspected infectious disease. These creatures are popular for their elongated nose or proboscis that is hanging atop their lip that has given them a face somewhat resembling an armadillo's. The Saiga antelope lives for up to 6 to 10 years. Presently, Saiga antelopes can be found in Asia and southeastern parts of Europe. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful journey. I hope you learned something about these strange, rare animals existing in this world.